Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it's going to be the first time I am adding to this new series where I flip back through a finished month in each of my planners. So I do a little bit of Franken planning, which means that you put different planners together in the discs. And I also have separate planners as of this one. And you know, it's only one planner in here, and I'll kind of talk about what that means and try and reference and show you what that means. But I am flipping back through all the finished pieces of the month of June 2021. So let's go ahead and do it. So this is the cover of my new July planner, but all right, my husband loves to call when I'm filming. It just always seems to happen that way. Anyway, I don't know where it cut me off, but let's go ahead and hop into it. This is my social media planner. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. I had my undated extension pack in here. So, and it's the same layout. So it, you know, I wanted to pop it in here so that I could get used to, you know, the new rhythm of everything. So it's in here, okay? This is July, so just kind of ignore that. But this is my monthly. Full transparency, I tracked in my monthly my YouTube subscribers and my Instagram followers, and then like put how many I went up or how many I went down each day, and would highlight the ones that it was like a super good day and stuff like that. So it was cool. And then I also hit both of my month and big goals. So that was awesome. I'm so thankful for you guys. Okay, so if I were to flip the next day, this is May. So let me just show you. There was a lot of weeks in this last part. So this is, okay, this is the first week of June. So this is, you know, my social media planner, like I said, and I used Colorful Leopard, and I like it. I did a few different boxes. I started the highlighting thing where I would highlight when I, you know, did stuff, posted a video, posted on Instagram, stuff like that. Next one was, what is this book called? Happy Life, I think, but it's like pastels. I really like this box. I mean, these books with the little kind of like mild liner detail. And I'm sad this box never got used. All right, next one was Squad Goals, the summer section. So all the girls like in there, in the pool, in their little floats and stuff. It was cute. I'm sad. I really wanted to use my Mambi sticks when I used these stickers, because there's like a really, really big one. So maybe if I had to do it over, I wouldn't have done this scene down here. But it is what it is. All good. All right, then this is the last week. I did Girl with Goals, and I did this big Mambi Sticks girl, and she went really, really well with the page. So if I were to go into the end of June, it ended right here. So I guess this technically is a little bit of June, a little bit of July. And I did kind of like a 4th of July color theme with Snow White because she's red and blue. And that's it. So that is my social media planner. Put that off to the side. Next is my catch-all planner. And I change the discs and change the covers all the time. But this is what was going on. I already pulled out the currently because it was at the end of May, and I always take those out, but this is the monthly view. And I used the Brights sticker book. Very cute and bright. And then I did pastel florals. I think it's what it's called. I really like this one. It felt very, like it just, there's so many things I love about it. I love that there was different compartmentalized things on the side. I love the big quotes down here. I love all the florals. This thing turned out really well, how it kind of like framed this flower. All the boxes was really cute, like all the things. Then I did Tangled, Rapunzel, yellow and purple. I love this spread. It was so cute. And then this quote went so well. It was the perfect yellow and it had gold foil. So, and I also got a few things out of some other books. Like this came out of Black and White. This came out of Faith. It just worked really, really well. I really loved it. Then I did Be Happy box, the first Be Happy box, where it's the This Is My Year. And the washies that I picked, like, just really coordinated super, super well. And then I found the perfect stickers for our travels. And I made this insert for our travels as well. And then the last week in June, I did the new, what is this called? Oh, this is Happy Life. And that pastel spread in my social media was Happy Goals. No. Happy Plans. It was Happy Plans. Ugh, it's confusing, obviously, but anyway. So this one was kind of good. I liked it. I liked this like layering business. So that's it. And then going into June, this was the end of June. So that's it. All done. Let's see if I did any other things. These are pretty much my only two planners. I did 1 week in my fitness. I did this week. So this, I wrote down what I ate every day and my workouts every day. And I really love how it turned out. And then I wrote like the end. You know how you get your, on your Apple Watch, it tells you for your whole week. So that was good. I only did one of those. I did one in my Skinny Mini. Right here. Doing like traveling, shopping, errands, stuff like that. And a few random things. All right, I did this BFF daily sheet and this Black and White daily sheet. So I need to start doing these more often. And oh, I also did a teacher page. So this was the last week of June with summer vibes. I really like that one. I love the teacher layout. All right, that's it. So it was a little bit all over the place, but hopefully you guys liked being able to look back on what I did and what June looked like. It absolutely flew by. I have no idea how it's already July. It's insane. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.